PLD exercise number 22. This dictation recorded by Agishar Ali, stenographer. Ready. In other words, the transfer of the property in the part or parts replaced in pursuance of the stipulation or warranty is a part of the original sale of the car for the price fixed and received from the buyer consumer. Full stop. The price so fixed and received was a consolidated price for the car and the parts that may have to be supplied by way of replacement in pursuance of the warranty. Full stop. The contention advanced by the learned counsel for the revenue, it appears, suffers from a basic. Full stop. When a dealer sells automobile vehicle, he sells it with all parts in a saleable condition. Full stop. The warranty is the warranty from the manufacturer, and therefore if during the warranty period any part is found to be defective and is to be replaced, the responsibility of replacement is that of the manufacturer. Full stop. For the convenience of the customer, there is an arrangement between the manufacturer and the dealer so that the customer may get replacement done from the dealer, which in due course is again made good by the manufacturer. Full stop. Under these circumstances, when the dealer assesses, replaces parts to the customers and either gets those parts from the manufacturer or gets it reimbursed, it is neither sale of these parts by the dealer to the customer or to the manufacturer. Full stop. What he does only is to pass on the parts from the manufacturer to the customer, but in order to avoid delay and inconvenience of the customer, he replaces the parts first and gets them from the manufacturer. Full stop.